So that is a hole in a shirt that was offset on the underarm area. I usually like to line it up with the end of the sewing head, which is going to give you about 3/8 of a seam allowance. And then here's what it looks like when we flip it the other direction. As you can see, this is an old garment, and this is where the initial tear occurred, and now you can see that all the seams are now back where they need to be for the armhole. And that's the inside, so you can't really see exactly where it's stitched. I did have to do a little bit of an overlap here because of the excess material, so it's not going to be a perfect fit, but it's pretty close. And we'll take off this excess fabric here, and I'll show you now what the other armhole looks like before we made this fix. And you always want to make sure that you backstitch on each side before you begin your or end your sewing. So here is the other arm, and this is what it looked like before we sewed it back together. It's just an old garment that just needed a quick restoring and repair.